As you probably can tell, my Breville Bambino Plus has seen cleaner days. It is definitely built up, and everything you see on the exterior is going to be just as dirty on the interior. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to deep clean your Breville. Now we're going to start with the simple part first, which is that I'm just going to soap this all down. There's a few key pieces though. Let's get into it. Now, as I clean it, I make sure to actually wipe up into the espresso cup holder. I'm going to clean this more deeply in a moment here. I also want to take off this entire bottom portion here because it's clearly not clean. And you want to keep this sensor dry, but a damp little washed cloth is not going to do anything. At least it hasn't for me. And now that I'm finished with a nice wet soapy scrub, I really do just want to clean everything off with a microfiber towel. Now it's looking a lot better, but that doesn't mean it's going to give me a clean espresso. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is remove the back tank. I'm going to want to scrub this out, but it also has all of my instructions on how to deep clean it. I really appreciate they're all on the back. And the first key piece is that in the back of it, you actually have this lovely little tool, because this can do a few things. First off, it has a larger poke point and a smaller poke point for getting into any holes in the steamer and in the portafilter to get everything cleaned out if anything's stuck. Get the steam wand off, which I can also use the tool for, to help it get loose. And now that this is off, I can actually see all those points. So I can really clean them, and I can scrub this out in the sink. And I am actually gonna stick a cleaning wand up there too, just to make sure that everything's super clean here. And I need to twist back on the steam tip. I can mostly hand twist it, but this again is very helpful for just making sure I get twisted in all the way. Just wedge it on there, and then you can really twist. And now I think I'm finished with this. I'm gonna put this in the back and put the water tank back on that I just cleaned. And now the first thing I'm going to do is just steam water for 5 seconds, and that's going to make sure that there's nothing in the steamer. And that's it. And now I want to do the first cleaning cycle, which is going to clean out everything that might be in the espresso section. So I'm going to use this little rubber piece that comes with the Breville to block the portafilter, and then add a cleaning tab in there. Lock that into place. Now to run this cleaning cycle, I need to turn it off first, and then hold down the single cup and the double cup until they light up solid. If for any reason they don't light up solid, turn the whole machine on, turn it off again, and do it again. Once they're solid, you should be able to press either one. And then that really has just cleaned everything out. Most of that liquid went back up into it, pressuring it, giving it that deep clean you want. And the water that came out of it was pretty nasty too. Now the next step is descaling, and there is actually a descale line on your water pitcher. So you'll want to fill it up with water and whatever your descaler is to this line. And I am using Oh Yuck's coffee machine descaler, as I really like this descaler. And again, make sure you have a nice big empty jar underneath. And the first thing I want to do is turn it all the way off. And to start descaling, I press the 1 cup and the steam and hold them for 5 seconds. And once they're both on, I just need to press one of them. And now we're in descaling. And this is just going to keep going till all the water is out of the tank in the back. And once it's emptied, the tank is just going to sit and pause. And that's when you're going to want to empty this, clean out the water tank, and refill it so then it runs with water. So now we have water up to the descale line. Stick that in, put this back underneath, and press any button to continue. Now to wrap it up, I did one final wipe down as I made a bit of a mess while cleaning the inside, but now it's like new. It is clean on the inside and outside and ready to go. I have loved this Breville Bambino for years, and it is definitely designed to last for years to come. If you're looking for a very spoiling espresso machine that can give you single or double shots and the perfect steamed milk, there is a reason why everyone loves the Breville Bambino.